Hi, my name is Robin. I'm a wife, a mother of two. I garden. Well, we have an extra $200 a month to play with. We get free hydro. It's great. I felt very comfortable just going with them right off the bat. It was nice to know that the government was going to give you an interest-free loan. That was nice to know it was in your back pocket, so it didn't have to come out of pocket. There was little rebates last year, so it was nice to get a little rebate check back. We have no electricity bill other than the charge from Burlington Hydro. It's a basic $30 a month, and that's going to be for life. So you have to pay another company to give you a little bit of service, but everything's coming from the roof of the garage. Yeah, it's good to get it from the environment. It'll be good for the future. We got more solar than we needed, just in case in the future we might get an electric car, so I didn't want to be behind in that, and I wanted to get extra just to make sure throughout the years that it would source our house effectively, or for the next people if we do move. I think I ran across solar on Facebook. I liked what they said. It's a Canadian company. I like to give the money back to Canada, keep it in Canada. The people that work at Solar are amazing. They answer your calls, and if they can't, they get right back to you as soon as possible. They're polite. They answer any questions, any doubts I had, and I just thought they were extremely professional, and I would suggest anybody going with this company. It was pretty smooth. We, once everything got here, we brought it out of the garage because, you have to wait for the guys to come and everything, but it was a pretty fast, smooth installation. No, there was no surprises. There was no surprises at all. It was just the workers came, they did their work. If the sun is out or if a tree is shading on one part of your garage, it'll just not it can't take sun from that one, but it doesn't shut down the whole roof. So 3/4 or 95% is still gaining solar energy. And so I think that's just a wonderful situation. It's newer than the ones 20 years ago. Oh yeah, it can just shut down a tiny little part, like if the shade's on it, but it's still sucking from the rest of the panels on the roof. Yeah, so it's a new thing. I don't know how new it is, but it's 20 years ago. If it's shade, then your whole system goes down. It makes me feel better inside that I'm just environmentally friendly, it's better. And the home audit had nothing to do with solar, so I didn't really understand that, but that did give me a little bit of money. Solar gives you a $1,000 gift certificate, and you can give that to anybody you want. And so actually I did. I had some friends over last week from up the street, and they spent $1,000 per month on hydro, and I was shocked. I was holy banana can. That's a lot of money. Yeah, and I hope they go with Solar because they're a great company. I think you should do it. I think it's a great idea. Why not? Who wants to pay hydro? It comes right back to you,